you ever eaten at a KFC? If so, I bet you've seen the Colonel. The funny grandpa dude who tells you to eat more. We're gonna make him today. It's gonna be so fun. Remember, while you're watching, hit that subscribe button. Leave us a comment. Give us a huge thumbs up. We're gonna make lots of details today.
Wow!
Lots and lots of details. You can always leave us a comment and tell us what your favorite food at KFC is. Or if it's not at KFC, you can tell us what your favorite food is anyway.
Wow!
My favorite food is acai.
Wow!
Do you know what acai is? Stay to the end to find out. Remember, if you're ever cutting with sharp tools like we are here, be super careful not to cut your fingers. Now we're gonna make a super awesome KFC logo. So awesome! This is gonna look so good when it's all finished. We use toothpicks so all of our pieces don't fall off our cake. You don't want pieces falling off the cake, do ya? Time for cake blanket! And our cake and creamy, creamy frosting. Nom 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 nom. Remember to hit that subscribe button, give us a huge thumbs up, and leave us a comment. You can always tell us what you think this flavor of frosting is. Maybe it's lemon, or maybe it's vanilla. But it also could be almonds. You never know. Put your cake blanket down. Smooth that cake in. Nummy, nummy, nummy. Now the start of glasses. Do you wear glasses too? Super cool glasses. If you don't wear glasses, do you know somebody that does? Maybe it's your friend. Or your brother or sister. They probably don't have a mustache, though. Or do they? The Colonel has a huge white mustache. And a little goatee. And his matching white eyebrows. Remember, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave us a comment. Give us a huge thumbs up. Our trivia question? What's acai? Acai is a berry. A delicious berry. You can get it in smoothie bowls and smoothies. Aw, now we're adding KFC to his hat. So fun. You can't forget his ears. Get those ears on.